Welcome back to my channel. Doing a product review. I don't know if a product review. I bought this thing. It's kind of cool. It's the SodaStream Aqua Fizz, and I thought I would just show you this thing. It's got a CO2 cartridge in the back. I take water that comes from our reverse osmosis. It comes with these two glass bottles. This is the only one that has the glass bottles. So and nice screw-on tops. It's just regular water in there right now from the RO unit, and to keep it in the fridge, it gets it nice and cold. And the way it works is you just pop this thing open. Okay, you take the top off. You can put the bottle in here. I guess I'll do. Maybe I'll fizz some here, and I'll show you. See if I can do this one-handed. So you don't put the syrup in there. The only thing that goes in this machine is just regular water. Okay, and you mix the syrup after. That's the important thing to know. Move it up, move this down. I should use a tripod. Lock it in place. And then I'll just press down on this thing a few times, and I'll go ahead and fizz it now. It makes this weird noise, like a farting noise sometimes. I don't know why. But it's, I'll do it like 3 or 4 times. New tank here, maybe I'll do 3 times. 1, 2, get it? Looks like it leaked a little bit. Unlatch it. This one will come back up. And there's the water. And yeah, if I pour it too fast, it'll fill up and fizz over. You get these little flavorings. You can get one, you know, like cola, a Dr. Pepper type. They call it Dr. Pete. Root beer. I'll show you these. And so if you like soda but you don't want it super sweet, you don't have to put that much in there. You can adjust it to your liking. They also have the little drops that you can put in, and those are unsweetened. If you want to sweeten it, you can use like a Truvia or something, or a sugar-free whatever. I didn't know what I was gonna like, so I bought all these kits and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna seal this up, put it in the fridge. My wife will probably use it in a little bit, but yeah, it's pretty cool. We just got it, so I don't know. The first thing I did was I made a cola, and I made a Mountain Dew for Sue, and she liked it. I made my cola way too strong, too sweet, and I ended up adding regular water into it, and it made it flat. So I gotta get the adjustments right, you know. And then this morning I took pomegranate juice, and you know, in my Yeti cup, I just put like, you know, a couple inches of pom in there, and then I poured this in on top, and it was nice. It was like a pomegranate soda, and it wasn't too sweet at all. So yeah, I kind of like this thing. I think we'll save some money on it. The cartridge is kind of expensive. I think it's $30 for the CO2, but you get, when you turn in the bottle, I think you get a rebate money back. I think it's like 15 or something. So, but yeah, and I think you get 60 liters or something like that. I can't remember how many of these you can fill up per tank, but I think I figured it out. It comes out to like 50 cents a bottle. If I just like did colas or something, it'd be like 50 cents a bottle. So anyway, all right, man. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, put in the comment there, and I'll try to respond right away. All right, later. Bye.